Hi friends, we provide all the information related Indian general knowledge, quiz questions and answers which are essential for all kind of examination. So friends, to learn more about GK and any other quiz competition, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button for the latest videos. What is green gold? Answer number A, tea. Income tax in India was introduced by Answer number C, James Wilson. The slogan Garibi Hatao was included in Answer number B, Fifth Plan. The only session of the Indian National Congress presides over by Mahatma Gandhi was Answer number C, Belgaum, 1924. Buddhism was introduced in China in the Answer number C, 1st century AD. Amir Khusro was a musician and Answer number D, all the above. The day Gandhiji launched non-cooperation movement, which national leader died? Answer number B, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. In which of the following body part red blood cell originate? Answer number C, bone marrow. Which of the following is not a computer language? Answer number C, IBM. Fundamental duties were introduced in the Constitution by Answer number B, 42nd Amendments. Which planet was first to be discovered through the telescope by Herschel in 1781? Answer number C, Uranus. The official position of A.O. Hume in the Indian National Congress was that of Answer number C, General Secretary. Hari Prasad Qureshi plays which of the following instruments? Answer number A, flute. How many countries have adopted euro currency? Answer number D, 12. My Music, My Life is a book by Answer number A, Pandit Ravi Shankar. Real name of the producer, director, lyrics writer Gulzar is Answer number D, Sampuran Singh. Ecology is the study of relationship between Answer number D, organism and their environment. The dance of India which contain solo performance is Answer number D, Bharatnatyam. Which of the following is flightless bird? Answer number D, all of these. When light rays enter in a glass slab, their wavelength is Answer number A, decreases. The heartbeat increase at the time of interview due to. Answer number A, secretion of adrenaline. Dara Sikho finally lost the war of succession of Shah Jahan in the Battle of. Answer number B, Samugar. Damodar river is the sorrow of. Answer number A, Bengal. Ilyaraja is a. Answer number D, music director. The coldest planet in our solar system is. Answer number A, Pluto. Adi Granth was compiled by. Answer number A, Guru Arjun Dev. The National Award Institute for Sports Coach is. Answer number C, Dronacharya Award. The Mughal emperor who wrote his autobiography was. Answer number D, Babur. UN General Assembly in its 52nd session declaration the year 2001 as International Year of. Answer number B, volunteers. Devaluation of currency helps to promote. Answer number A, exports. How many languages are recognized by the Constitution of India in the 8th schedule? Answer number C, 18. How many times can a person be elected as President of USA? Answer number B, 2 times. The spies in ancient India were known as dash of the king. Answer number B, ears and eyes. The Making of Mahatma film has been directed by. Answer number B, Shyam Benegal. Solid carbon dioxide is also called. Answer number B, dry ice. What is also known as laughing gas? Answer number B, nitrous oxide. What was the code name of the first atom bomb that was dropped over Japan? Answer number B, black rain. Which of the following part of the sunlight makes the solar cooker hot? Answer number C, infrared. The Parliament of Japan is known as. Answer number C, Diet. In which year of Ashoka coronation did the Kalinga War take place? Answer number C, 8th. Which instrument is used to see whether a cell is generating current or not? Answer number C, galvanometer. Tomato sauce contain. Answer number B, acetic acid. What is the volume of brain of an average human being? Answer number B, 1500 cubic centimeter. Who led the first Indian expedition to Antarctica? Answer number B, S.Z. Qasim. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. Answer number C, Orissa. Which one of the following is not a tiger reserve? Answer number D, Ferrier. Approximately how many kilometers are represented by 1 degree of latitude? Answer number C, 111 kilometers. The science of production of desired offspring is called. Answer number C, eugenics. The master gland of our body is. Answer number B, pituitary. Which of the following countries have separate constitution for each state? Answer number B, USA. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below and say on which type of video you want in this channel.